Hi everyone, this is Christine Kamenga, and this is my implementation video for Project 8. So here's the setup. You have the Raspberry Pi connected to the battery, the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino connected through USB to serial connection, and then you have the VIN pin of the IMU connected to the 3.3 volts pin on the Arduino, and then the ground is connected to ground. And the SDA and SCL pins of the IMU are connected to the SDA and SCL pins on the Arduino. I'm using a Mega 2560 in this case, so it'll be pins 20 and 21. And then to set up the Arduino, you want to install FreeRTOS, the Arduino Unified Sensor, and the BN0055 library, and that'll let you read the data from the IMU sensor. And then to set up the Raspberry Pi, I saw people downloading the Arduino IDE on the Raspberry Pi desktop, so that's what I did. And then I also saw some people doing or using a TCP server client communication with the Raspberry Pi and the laptop. So that's what I ended up doing also. But in order to do that, you have to install Python, and then you have to write a little Python script both on your laptop and then on the Raspberry Pi desktop so that you can communicate to each other. Okay, so here's the setup. We have the IMU, and that power, the red wire is connected to the 3 volt on the Arduino. The ground is connected to the ground of the IMU. SDA is connected to pin 20 of the Arduino. I can't really see it from here. And the SCL is connected to pin 21. So kind of flip this over a little bit. So you can see those connections over there. And then the Arduino is connected to the Raspberry Pi, which is underneath all of this. It's right here. And then the battery is right here. Okay, so now we're going to use the Python script that we wrote earlier on the Raspberry Pi desktop, and we're going to run that so then we can communicate between the Raspberry Pi and the laptop. And then we're going to go over to Python on the laptop, and we're going to run that script. And as you can see, the data is coming in. I also am not flying my drone in this video because it's raining outside, and also I'm in the model home in my neighborhood because we don't have Wi-Fi at my house, so I don't really want to break anything in the model home, but they were really nice and let me use their Wi-Fi for this weekend. But yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching.